What you don't share can't be destroyed. One of the most powerful principles in life is the power of secrecy and discretion. Some breakthroughs, ideas, plans, and even blessings are not meant to be announced prematurely. When you speak too soon, you can expose what God is still developing in private. The truth is, what you don't share can't be attacked or destroyed. There is wisdom in keeping certain things between you and God until the time is right. Jesus himself taught us this principle when he often instructed people not to reveal his identity before the appointed time. Mark 1:43-44. The enemy thrives on information. Once you make your moves or visions public before they're matured, you give room for criticism, envy, spiritual attacks, or even unnecessary interference. Even Joseph's dreams were attacked because he shared them too early. Genesis 37:5-11. His brothers hated him more, not just because he was loved by his father, but because he openly revealed the future God had shown him. Had he kept quiet and allowed God to work in the background, perhaps the path to his destiny would have been less painful. The Bible reminds us that there is a time to speak and a time to keep silent. Ecclesiastes 3:7. Just because God has shown you something doesn't mean it's time to post it, announce it, or even discuss it. Maturity knows when to stay quiet. Bible attribute: God is a strategic communicator. He reveals plans at the right time to the right people. When Jesus was born, God didn't announce it to the whole world, only to wise men and humble shepherds. Matthew 2:12, Luke 2:8-20. God protects what he births by controlling how and when it is exposed. The Bible goes forward to teach us in Proverbs 29:11. A fool uttereth all his mind, but a wise man keepeth it in till afterwards. Wisdom knows when to speak and when to stay silent. Ecclesiastes 3:7. A time to keep silence and a time to speak. Not everything must be shared immediately. Luke 2:19. But Mary kept all these things and pondered them in her heart. Mary didn't tell everyone about the prophecy. She waited on God. Matthew 6:6. But thou, when thou prayest, enter into thy closet. Some things are meant to remain between you and God. To you watching and listening to this message, learn to protect what God is doing in your life by not broadcasting it prematurely. Your silence can be a shield. Don't speak too soon. Let the fruit of your labor speak for you. Let your testimony announce itself. Guard your vision, your relationships, and your breakthroughs until the right time. What you hide in God cannot be touched by the enemy. Remember, if the enemy doesn't know what God is doing in your life, he can't attack it. Walk in divine wisdom. What you don't share can't be destroyed. Let God finish his work in you in the secret place, and when it's time to reveal it, no force of hell can stop what God has established. Finally, protect the sacred. Guard the divine. Speak only when led and trust God's timing. There is beauty, safety, and power in quiet obedience. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for more.